welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how to make this cute DIY stamped book. Now I have seen these books everywhere. Etsy, I've seen them on Pinterest, YouTube itself, and I've been really wanting to make this video. It is super easy, and I can guarantee you that anyone can literally make this, even if you do not have a Cricut. Every item that I've used to make this is from the Dollar Tree. The books, the twine. People have customized this DIY stamp book in so many different ways, and I just wanted to show you guys my rendition of it when using your Cricut. So before I get into the tutorial, as always, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. I post videos every week on content relating to Cricut stuff, DIY things, and much more. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. You will need 3 books, paperback or hardcover, twine, transfer tape, and Oracal 651 permanent vinyl. Take the cover of the book and rip it off along with the back of the book as well. Don't worry about the binding because we will paint over that. Continue this step for the other books. To paint the side of the book to help the vinyl adhere better to the book. I used white acrylic paint and brushed a light layer on the binding and on the top of the book, just to give it that more rustic look. While your books are drying, let's set up the design in Cricut Design Space. Choose the rectangle shape and adjust it to the size of the binding. Off camera, I measured the binding lengths and widths with a ruler and then inputted them into the Cricut. Once you have your sizes, to get a better visual, align the rectangles to the right or left depending where you want to place your books. Next, type up the words that you want to place on the books. I chose this short sweet quote that I love, "Dance among the wildflowers." To get that type letter effect, you need to download the font Special Elite. I'm pretty sure that I got this off of a random website, but I honestly don't remember where I got it from. Change the sizing to your liking. Just make sure it's not too big so it fits on the binding. You can hide the white boxes once you have the right size, and then weld each group of words. Click Make It and adjust the placement of the words. I try to squeeze all of the words in so I use less vinyl on the mat. So now you can take your Cricut mat and vinyl and press down the vinyl on the mat. Place it into the machine when you're ready and click the arrow button, then the Cricut button. Once it's done, remove your vinyl and start weeding. I cut the vinyl to make it easier so I'm not working with the entire 12 by 12 sheet. Cut each section and grab your transfer tape. You can cut the transfer tape to the same size of the words. Remove the tape from the backing like so and place the sticky side onto the vinyl words. Make sure you use your scraper tool so the vinyl can adhere to the tape better. Repeat this step for the rest. Now we can remove the tape and place the design onto the now dried binding. You want to leave enough room so it doesn't look too cramped. I had to get down on eye level and make sure it was straight too, which definitely helped. Once it's placed on, use your fingers and the scraper tool again to allow the vinyl to stick onto the binding. You can remove the taping once you're done with the scraper tool. And again, repeat this process. So the page is actually folded up due to the paint, so I taped the edges of the back of the book with clear Scotch tape. Now we can take our twine and scissors and wrap the twine around the books. I wrapped it around about 3 times and then tied it in a bow. And you're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this tutorial as always, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more of my YouTube videos and more of my DIY and Cricut related content. I am so happy that I was able to do this tutorial, and I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!